Hello everybody, today you will see episodes about driving fails, how to not drive, and bad drivers. This video was created for educational, informational, and entertainment purposes only. Feel free to leave your comments under the video. San Jose, California dumb driver swings over 2 lanes, only to block the fast lane on an expressway.
You stupid! Freaking hell, man.
Foley, Alabama. For some reason, in front of Harbor Fraud, people feel the need to go into the opposing lane. The guy was literally gesturing at me to get out of his way with multiple cars behind me. Palm Springs, California.
Idiot! Slide the tire underneath the frame of the car. What are you?
Very cool.
Possible drunk driver. Orange, California, right by the Honda Center. Red light runner, Nissan Altima or Sentra makes left turn from the middle lane. Rockville, Maryland. That's the perfect spot for a U-turn. Pickup truck going the wrong way on the highway. Typically BMW hit and run driver, even when I humped, got out of my car, and cops nearby. What makes this even more obnoxious is that he re-entered the same freeway going in the same direction. Driver who ran stop sign almost causes an accident.
KZU 4639.
Light turned green, everyone started speeding up, and then this guy decided to cut over to the shoulder to check out a car for sale. Anybody remember Spy Hunter? I saw him on the road the other day. Dumb driver almost continued across the street and almost hit me. We made eye contact and he looked very intoxicated. He was coming down the street the wrong way and totally blew the stop sign, almost hitting me and stopping in the middle of the road. I wonder if this is my exit. I'll stop here to think about it. Where we're going, we won't need windshield wipers to see. What are your thoughts about these drivers? Leave your comments.
Look at this guy.
Oh my fucking god!
He's been here forever. He could have got out.
That's all for today. Thank you for watching. Remember to drive safely and always follow the rules of the road.